this word on the last time, and then they went ahead in also identifying what it means. Now, my lord, coming back. So 256, my lord, as a citizen, I say, please get the investigation done. And where did I go? I go to the concerned agencies. Because the Lord I said, why are you taking upon yourself? 4 categories are told, my lord, my learned senior colleague, 4 categories only where 226, 32 you can order. There are no such categories, my lord, which are known to law in the history of jurisprudence of this country. Because I heard 20 times, my lord, in the history of this court, never it has happened. So I'm responding, my lord. I'll show the history of this court. I will show 2 judgments once again directly, where it is only because he is chief minister, he is chief minister, he is chief minister, he is chief minister, the CBI must take place. I'll show that immediately. Only because he is the chief minister. The court who took upon itself. The court called for income tax and wealth tax returns to Supreme Court in 32 because he was the chief minister, he was the chief minister and he was the chief minister. Kindly come to my lord Mulayam Singh judgment. Only 2-3 paragraphs. Let me get out of this whether chief minister makes any difference or not to the courts. Whether the approach has to be separate or approach has to be the same. The cause of action, my lord, for 32 was the filing of the affidavit to Election Commission of India and declaring your properties. There was no allegation as such. Properties. So the allegation was both father and son. The chief minister and his son in UP have shown properties where there is no source shown. From where did they get it? Corruption. Kindly come to para 3 and 4.
Which judgment is that?
But the first judgment in my compilation.
Vishwanath Chaturvedi.
And my lord, one of the, perhaps, my lord, I would say that we also sometimes lose our accelerator and, my lord, speed control in our argument. So I heard, my lord, ordinary cases of corruption should not be sent. That was, my lord, one of the submissions which my learned senior colleague, one of them made. And I made a note. Ordinary cases of corruption should not be sent to the CBI. Now, my lord, what kinds of corruption cases should be sent? Kindly see, my lord. Let us see. And, my lord, I want to get educated. Para 3 at page 7. I am, my lord, now answering what is the impact of chief minister, number 1. Nowhere in the history of the judgment process in this country there is ever any court taking upon itself to order for investigation. There are only 3-4 categories where some fault, etc. is found. My lord, 4 categories were given to your lordship. I don't find. I have tried, my lord, many judgments. There are no categorization and no more. Kindly see, my lord, one of the categories which I know, which is a part of this judgment. Para 3. My lord, 5th line here. The petitioner alleges to have made a representation, my lord, 6th line from the bottom in para 3. Representation dated 6/11/5, being annexed so and so to the Honorable Minister, giving all the details and requested the Home Minister to take appropriate action against the respondent. Right, my lord? This is the writ petition. Kindly come to the next page, para 4.
Yes.
Para 4. The petitioner also made a representation to the Honorable Governor. And then, my lord, your lordship may skip 4 lines. The petition, the representation given detail regarding the property owned by all the contesting respondents. So, my lord, property details were mentioned. The petitioner has also filed all sale deed and other documents. Now, please see, my lord, the fulcrum of the foundation of the allegation. My lord, just be with me, my lord, on this paragraph. Paragraph 4, my lord, 7th, 8th line in the middle. According to the petitioner, my lord, it's the 7th, 8th line from top in para 4.
Yes.
According to the petitioner, some of the properties are mentioned by Shri so and so in the affidavit submitted by them before the election commissioner. However, source of acquiring such properties have not been mentioned. And the allegation of amassing illegal wealth was made. So what was the beginning? Affidavit before the Election Commission. What is the representation? Take action. It doesn't give the source. Now, what does the Supreme Court do under 32? And please keep all the submissions which have been made on the other side. Don't take it upon yourself. Kindly see now, what did the Supreme Court took it upon itself, para 6. When the matter was listed before a bench comprising of Shri so-and-so, after hearing the counsel of the party, an order was passed. Kindly go to the next page, top. File your income tax or wealth tax return. Except for details of the property, nothing is available in the writ petition. The income tax and wealth tax returns are not filed by the petitioners.
There.
In this matter of this, yes, what is filed is, my lord, some sale deed, election affidavit, and the details of the properties. What did Supreme Court took upon itself? Ordering the respondent who were contesting, who were opposing the writ petition to file the details of income tax and wealth tax return. That, my lord, is in para 4. Right, my lord? So this is the basis, and the court takes notice of this. And after that, just because he is chief minister and politician, and allegation is of corruption, and, my lord, amassing illegal wealth, kindly come to para 32. Para 32. Now I am, my lord, also reminding myself of the history of the judgments in this country. As already noticed, voluminous document by way of several sale deed, income tax return, income tax assessment order, wealth tax return. So, my lord, sale deeds, some of them were filed by the petitioner. Other documents have come by the order of the Supreme Court in a 32 petition. Several photographs have been filed. This apart, several charts in regard to properties purchased by various respondents have also been filed. The contesting respondents have also filed separate chart and have been marked as A to H. Now, my lord, please permit me to show this distinction in the history of the judgments of this court. That, my lord, what is to be taken upon itself by the court and where to draw Lakshman Rekha, now the jurisdiction must be taken over by somebody. So when the income tax and wealth tax returns were to be sought, Supreme Court took it upon itself in 32. Now the charts have come. They have disputing chart. They are disputing details. Who has to do it? Not Supreme Court. So please see the next para. Now see what is not to be taken by the courts upon themselves. In our opinion, the minuteness of the details furnished by all the parties, the income tax return and assessment orders, sale deeds have to be carefully looked into and analyzed. Please mark the next word. Only by an independent agency. This is where the court should say, now take over by the independent agency. And then, my lord, 36 and 37 I've already read. And I will not, my lord, repeat for the purposes of significance of this, my lord, two very great words called chief minister. Are they self-contained or not? And now couple it with, my lord, the fact that entire state ministry came out in the first writ petition filed by the chief minister to defend him. Unison, my lord. I used this word last time, my lord. Unison. Their notes are identical. Their facts are identical. Their approach is identical. Now, my lord, something more. What happens if a commission of inquiry is there, para 45 of Chattoraj, Supreme Court? Just look, it is there in the last judgment, my lord, in this compilation, para 45. This compilation of mine, my lord, Justice Thakur's judgment I had put, my lord, in that chit fund scam, my lord, last
Page.
judgment.
Page.
Page, my lord, starts at 219. 219, my lord, your lordship had marked other my lord, where this was the judgment where showed where politicians are involved in the, my lord, in the, they are named and they are, my lord, involved. My lord, that little people your lordship will find in para 41, in that quoted portion, 5th line, just above 42.
Yes.
I was missing this little man. It has come here, my lord. My lord, para 41, there is a quotation from, my lord, Sanjeev Kumar.
Sanjeev Kumar. Yes, Sanjay. Yes.
Just 5 lines above para 42. Now, my lord, kindly read 44 with me. My lord, I am not repeating the other paragraph which I have shown. Kindly see, my lord, transfer of investigation to the Central Bureau of Investigation in terms of the order shall not, however, affect the proceeding pending before the Commission of Inquiry. There also commission of inquiry was created so that no CBI can take place. Supreme Court was made aware in a 32 petition. And Supreme Court said, sorry, it must be independent to instill confidence to the cause of justice. There are high functionaries of government involved. You can't expect, or Manoj, you can't find a fault with a commoner or a aggrieved party that is going to get justice if the investigation to be carried out by the people who are under the people who are accused. Now, my lord, one more judgment, my lord, in the history. That's latest, where Supreme Court took upon itself. In this, my lord, I have cited already. In this very compilation, my lord, the judgment compilation, page 103.
Politically charged atmosphere.
My lord, but before that, few facts. Your lordship is right. Politically charged, but kindly come to 103.
Yes.
Para 103.
Page 103.
Page, I'm sorry, my lord, page 103. And kindly just take two notes, two dates, my lord, para 2, third line.
Yes.
The FIR was filed on 7 December 20 and the writ was filed on 13th of January 21. And, my lord, the Supreme Court stayed the investigation by the local police. Kindly see, my lord, first two lines in para 2.
Yes.
And para 3.